Today we are doing a Scarlet procedure, and Scarlet is microneedling with radio frequency. So there are 25 tiny little baby needles here. See, they're tapered at the edges and they go in very smoothly into the skin. And there's 25 of them. And the nice thing about Scarlet is that it has something called the na effect. And the na effect means that when the little baby needles go in and then they come out, the radio frequency follows the needles out. So every layer of your skin is getting exposure to radio frequency energy, which is a tightening energy. So as the needles go in, they poke at the cells that make collagen. As they get to the depth that we program, the radio frequency gets released. So that irritates the cells that make collagen. Now, as the needles come up, and the radio frequency follows, the energy is a tightening energy, and now you're left with thousands of little tiny channels all over the area that was being treated, so it forces your skin to tighten. So 2 ways to make collagen, 2 ways to tighten. The great thing about Scarlet is that it is one of just a couple machines that actually has that na effect, so a more beneficial than Morpheus. The tapering of the needles means it's very smooth and very easy and less painful than Morpheus and the others. And then it has the na effect. Also has 2 times the energy that most of these other machines have. So we're gonna go ahead. I've already done most of our patient's face, but we're gonna go ahead and finish up with her forehead, and we will. Okay, so we're gonna come over here. You doing okay? Mm-hmm. So you can see how quick this procedure can be. We can actually take the Scarlet and go all the way into the scalp to help pull back the forehead even more. And you can treat anywhere you have skin. So basically your entire body. So you can treat your belly, you can do breasts, you can do elbows, you can do arms, you can do above the knees. So lots of places, everywhere, and it will tighten and lift. Typically, the treatments are spaced 1 month apart. We recommend Scarlet once a month for 5 months and then 4 times a year, because you still need to keep up doing treatments because gravity is still gonna pull on you. So you're gonna want to keep doing some kind of maintenance treatment, or maybe I should call it enhancement treatments to keep yourself enhanced all year. So 4 of these a year. And body areas on the body like the neck or the abdomen or the arms might need more than 6 treatments, but 6 is typical. But it just really depends on your skin. Are you taking collagen? Do you have healthy skin to begin with? Are you hydrated? So all these things matter when you're doing these kind of treatments. And you certainly can't expect that one treatment is going to give you a lift to make you back to being 20 years old. But this treatment can treat scars, it treats wrinkles, it treats rosacea, it treats pores. It can actually help stimulate hair follicles as well. So Scarlet can do lots of things. And really, there's no downtime. The amount of downtime is maybe a day or 2 where you might have some redness, you might look windburned. But the radio frequency coagulates. So although there's a lot of little needle punctures, the radio frequency coagulates so you don't bleed. So you can already see our patient just has some redness around her face. And that's going to be about how the worse that she is. And in that last 1 or 2 days, you could probably get away with telling somebody that you went skiing or you put your head out the sunroof. Anyway, so that is it. I mean, really, everybody's a candidate for Scarlet unless you have something metal near the area of where we're scarleting. Everybody's a candidate. Any skin type can do Scarlet. So that's great too. So if you want to find out if Scarlet is right for you, you can find us online at RejuvenationMDMedSpa.com.